Everyone, you're welcome back to NG Styles TV. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I make my favorite drink for weight loss and total body cleanse. Yeah, so here are the ingredients I'll be using. Here I have some dried hibiscus flower. It's also called sorrel or zobo in Nigeria. Yeah, and also I'll be using some cinnamon stick, lemongrass, cloves, ginger root, lemon, bay leaf. I will also be adding some pineapple peel. Yeah, I wash my pineapple, peel it. I don't throw away the bag. I put it in a Ziploc bag and then freeze it. So whenever I'm making my tea or my drinks, I add it to it. Okay, so we'll be adding some pineapple back for the benefits of it and to add flavor to this drink also. And I'll also be adding some orange peel, dried orange peel, to enhance the flavor of this drink and for the benefit also. And before you peel your orange, make sure you wash it very well with vinegar and salt. So here is the dried orange peel I'll be adding. I will be using it for the flavor, remember. So before we start, I love to smash this, just give it a smash, smash it like so, to release the nutrient faster into this drink we are making. Just, you can choose to slice yours if that is what you want to do. So after smashing it, we're going to be making the drink. So here is the water I'll be using to make this drink. I love to bring my water to a boil. So when the water start boiling, I lower the stove. Yes, I take the stove to low and allow the water to like calm down. Then I start adding the ingredients. Okay, the hibiscus flower I'm using is clean. That's why I added it. If you know, it depends on how you bought yours, how yours is being made. If you know yours is not clean, please rinse it first. Rinse it with cold water before adding it to the drink or to the pot. Okay, so I added the the hibiscus flower. Yes, it's also called zobo. Then, and the rest of the ingredients, add the lemon, the pineapple peel, and all the ingredients to the pot. Then I will give it a good stir. Yeah, stir it properly, like allow all the ingredients to go in the pot and circulate properly. So after giving it a stir, I'm going to cover this and allow and let it boil for about 5 or 10 more minutes. Okay, when you add it, you can see the color is already the hibiscus has already released its color to the drink. So we're gonna leave this and let it boil for another 5 to 10 minutes. Then after that, I'm gonna turn off this heat and then shift it. That's what I'm doing here, like filter it. Yeah. So yeah, this is the leftover. We are not going to be doing anything with this. It's going to the trash. Yeah. So here is our drink. This is my favorite drink. It's so good. The whole family loves it. Yeah. There is no sugar. I take my own without sugar or nothing, but the kids, they add a little honey to their own to sweeten it, but I take mine without sugar so that I can reap all the benefits. So this drink, you can take it like with ice, like if it's during the hot, if the weather is too hot, I love to enjoy it with some ice, like so. Or when it's too hot, I add some ice. You can also enjoy it warm. Yes, I also love to enjoy it warm like this if the weather is too cold. Yeah. So, but I love to I also love to add some apple cider vinegar to it, just a little, because the hibiscus flower itself is already like it have that tangy taste. So I love to just add a little apple cider vinegar for its benefits. And this drink is my favorite drink. It helps to cleanse the body, and it also aids with weight loss. Like, it helps you to lose weight also. So this is one of my favorite drink that I take, and I believe they are all the things that helped me to lose that 50 pounds in 3 months that fast. I will be showing you guys how I make my detox drink in my next video, so stay tuned. So that will be it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.